In this video, we will see how to delete the element or delete a element of dictionary. Like I am defining this dictionary. This is my dictionary. Sorry, this is my dictionary, and I want to delete its some item. So there are two methods: pop and pop item. So first we will see pop method, pop items. So first we will see pop method. So using pop method, we can delete any key of any key value pair using passing key. Like you can understand it by example. Rohit dot pop. What I want to delete? I want to delete height. height. So it will return as well, and it will delete as well. So it will return as well. Whenever we execute this, it will return the its value, height value, and it will delete height from this dictionary. Let's see what Rohit is. So you can see now height has been deleted. So the second method is pop item. Pop item. Pop item. No space. So pop item. So actually, as Rohit become this, I want to make this as this again. So I am executing first code again. So now Rohit, you can see is same. So it is Rohit now. It has height as well. So what pop item method do is it will delete last element of dictionary. So just this. So it will also return last key value pair, but it will delete as well last. Like we see Rohit now, it deleted last element of this dictionary. So there is one more method. It is common method. It is actually not method. It is the syntax to delete any index. So there is del method to delete any iterable index, mutable iterable index. So del, if I want to delete the name of Rohit, so Rohit, then what I want to delete is name. Name. So it will delete it. So now check through it. So it is now age only. Now again I want to delete age as well. So Rohit. Now I want to delete age as well. So it will delete age. So now check Rohit age. Now Rohit is nothing. It is empty dictionary. So now I think it is enough for this video. Next video we will see how to iterate through a dictionary. So thanks for watching this video.